Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video. You know what this is? Looks like a watch, right? Alright, let's do a unboxing of the Zinvo blade. You know, this is nothing new. I've got many blades before. Check my other videos out. But let's jump right into it. Of course, let's put that on the side, and of course you get the usual books. Comes with owner's manual, of course. Read it, whatever. File that to the side. Comes with a cleaning cloth, microfiber, and of course the warranty. I mean, it says 1 year, but they usually give you a 2-year now. I've been a very big fan of the Zinvo watches, and these guys are amazing. So let's check this out. This is the Zinvo Blade Nemesis. Let's pull this out. All right, there we go. Let's peel this plastic out of here. There you go. It's great. Look at that. Yeah, this is the Nemesis. And of course, you know, a genuine leather band. Nice stitch. And a little Zinvo branding right here. Let's see if you could focus. There you go. Zinvo branding right here, embossed, genuine leather, and there is, let's see, yep, that's the movement right there. Yeah, this is actually my 4th Zinvo right here, and as I mentioned before, they're a masterpiece. For the price you get, it's the best value for your money right here. So it's perfect for your boyfriend, husband. You know, again, guys, there's women's blades too out there. Check those out. I'll leave the description below where to buy, and you know, just it's perfect for a Christmas present. Can't go wrong with this. And yeah, it comes with a 2-year warranty. It's a 42mm face size, and it fits right. Let's see. I'm gonna wear this. Let me do this. I'm trying to do this from behind the camera. Let's see. All right, there we go. What do you think, guys? Yep, it's a masterpiece. Thank you, Zinvo, and I've been a long-time customer from these. You know, this company. They always take care of me. You know, they always have some great deals online. They'll throw you, you know, a strap. Of course, I didn't get one this time, but you know, you got to check their website time to time. And yeah, it's sapphire crystal, of course. It's a Japanese movement, but Swiss made. So it's an automatic, of course, as you can see. Water resist, yeah. And that's pretty much it, you know. So let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments below. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Ciao for now.